Bonjour. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Learn French Together. On our last video, we learned about l'accent aigu. Today, we are moving on to the second French accent,
l'accent grave,
the grave accent in English. Slants to the left, opposite to the acute accent. It is used only on vowels in French, and it can appear on A, E, and U. It most commonly appears over the letter E, where it affects pronunciation. While it can change the sound of the vowel E, the pronunciation of A and U doesn't change. In some cases, the accent grave is used to differentiate between words that are spelled the same but have different meanings, such as a meaning to, a meaning has. Why use the accent on a? Even though the accent grave doesn't change the pronunciation of a, it is still very important because it changes the meaning. Without the accent, you could confuse two different words. A with the accent means at or to. For an example,
je vais à l'école,
I am going to school. A without the accent means has. For an example,
il a un chien.
he has a dog. The
L'accent grave,
on a. The accent grave usually goes over the letter E, changing how it's pronounced. A with the accent is pronounced like a in bed. Let's look at some words on a sound in French.
crème, mère, père, succès.
The
L'accent grave,
on U. Even though the accent grave on U doesn't change the pronunciation, it is important because it changes the meaning of the word. The accent is not for pronunciation. It is used to differentiate between two words that sound the same. These words are called homophones. U with the accent is pronounced like the U sound in food or to. For an example, U with the accent means where.
où est la bibliothèque?
Where is the library? U without the accent means O. For an example,
Tu veux du thé ou du café?
do you want tea or coffee? The grave accent on A or U. A with the accent means to or at. A without the accent means has. U with the accent means where. U with no accent means O. The grave accent on A and U doesn't change how they sound, but it helps you understand the correct meaning in context. Thank you for listening. See you next time.